class. I hope you all are fine. So get ready for the English class. Today we are going to start our fourth chapter from the grammar, that is interrogative sentences. In the previous class we discussed positive and negative sentences. I hope you remember and you have done the practice also. So in the positive and negative sentences, I told you how to convert positive to negative. And in that, whatever we have learned, the same concept we are going to revise it here. The same concept we are going to apply in the interrogative sentences. Okay, so first of all, I would like to tell you about what is interrogative sentence. What is an interrogative sentence? So a sentence that asks a question or request information is called an interrogative sentence. And in the previous class I told you there are three types of interrogative questions. First is WH questions. I hope you have remembered. We have done in chapter 1 sentences. Right, in chapter 1 sentences we discussed about different type of sentence and we discussed interrogative sentence. In that I told you there are three type of interrogative questions. So in this chapter we are going to use this concept, as the chapter name itself is interrogative sentence. Okay, in this chapter we learn how to frame interrogative sentence. In the previous class we discussed how to convert positive sentence to negative sentence, but in this chapter we are going to learn how to frame interrogative sentence, the sentence with that ask a question. Okay, I hope this concept is clear in your mind now. That what is the topic today? We have to learn how to frame interrogative sentence. Okay, so we were on types of interrogative questions. First is WH questions. Okay, of interrogative questions. First is WH questions. Okay, WH questions, these are the direct questions that begin with WH words, and the words are when, why, what, where, who, whose, how. I hope you remembered. Okay, so WH questions begin with what, who, which, whom, whose, where, how, and why. Then we discussed yes or no questions. These are the questions for which the answer could be either yes or no. Okay. Then third category we discussed about choice questions, where the question contained two or more choices. For example, do you prefer tea or coffee? Should I call you Mr. John or Sam? These are the questions that contain choices. Okay, so these are the three types of interrogative questions, and with this three type of interrogative questions we'll learn how to frame interrogative sentence. Okay, let's start our topic.